My name is Yogi. I'm your chef. I'm here to brief you on your dinner tonight. Today, all of you are going to have Indian food. Categorically, summer food in India. It's 11 courses, beautiful menu. It's beautiful and colorful food. It's green. It's lovely. There'll be many flavors which you don't know, or maybe you know. I don't know. Let the dinner decide. We need to start, bro. When you start Indian dinner, you begin with your hands. You always begin from the left or top left. With the first course, 5 flavors. And in the order: sweet, spice, savory, chili, and last, refresh. Your second course, earth and sea. Lovely match between the sea and the earth. So on top, what all of you have is the sea, the caviar, the beluga. Right below is a custard made from beetroot, fresh coconut. What we have here now is the impaled beluga. It's a caviar tin which we are opening now for a guest. Chacha?
Yes.
Beluga comes from where?
Iran.
Iran.
Yeah.
A fresh tin, a beautiful tin.
Yes.
And we've plated now for the guest. Have a look at it. Lovely. All of you are having the beluga, and from Iran. The farm is Miras. The rarest and the best food on earth is a beluga. So what we do here is, the marination is immediate, and then he'll place the abalone in the charcoal grill. It's beautiful. Grill. Family, your next course is the eye. It's an abalone course. Your abalones are fresh and they come from the sea of Sabah. Your abalone is marinated with mustard oil and charcoal grill. On top, their zombie-like eyeball that you see is Jerusalem artichoke. At the bottom, black truffles. Enjoy yourself. Table 1, I think, 2 crab rice. Not yet gone, right? See on your plate is a prawn carpaccio with cumin twills, brushed passion fruit with the garnish and beautiful flowers and leaves. We will now pour your bisque. It is a soup. Okay, ladies, your first main course is called bangda. Bangda is the name of the fish mackerel in the west coast. Your mackerel comes from the Atlantic, Norway. It is only pan-seared. No flavors added to the mackerel because that is the star of the dish. So the creaminess, the flavor of the mackerel is intact. Now it is paired with dill leaf sauce. This is beautiful for summer. One word of caution: dill leaves end finish bitter. To balance the bitterness, 4 drops of yogurt, which is white in color, and 4 drops of burnt garlic. Enjoy yourself. Why everybody go to sleep like that? Eh? The fellow cannot stand, bro. This fellow impossible to stand. Your last main course is called Tarabagani Kamameshi. Tarabagani is Japanese red king crab. It is far better than the Alaskan crab. And Kamameshi means cooked rice. Tarabagani Kamameshi means crab rice. Each and every plate is made individually. It is not open. It is a steamed dish. So we seal it with a bread dough. It is open only in front of a guest. We don't know if it is cooked, it is not cooked. To ensure it is there, 99%. Now let's check your dish. Nicely done crab. Nicely done crab. Your dish is cool. That one big, this one small. How you take all? Ayyo, kadavalle. Ayya. BODO. Table number 6. Okay. Table 6. Family of first pre-dessert. Yogurt parfait and puri. That is yogurt parfait laced with saffron, and the saffron is sargol, the second best in the world, $6 a gram, and blackberries. This dish comes from the state of Gujarat and state of Maharashtra. We call it Shrikhand Puri. With this course, it's a digestive. You have to sit, talk to each other, become best friends, fall in love all over again. This is the course you become like the French. You talk, you digest your food. Okay? You must enjoy this course. Now, with this course, your dinner with me comes to an end. This is the last course. Thank you very much. If you've enjoyed yourself, if you liked us, the journey of West Coast of India, please tell your friends. Tell them there what we are doing here. Thank you very much. Thank you.